Okay, dog issue is taken care of. He's just sitting there right on the bed while I'm sitting out here in the window. Like a dork I am, yeah. I'm a frog. What are you doing? The dog again. Yeah. He's gonna want to come over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come over here. Come on. Come on. I ain't leaving you, baby. Watching the storm. What? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Or I really will leave. What? Shut up. Oh my god. Dog's a nutcase. Shut up. Thank you. Well, I'll come out a little later when a storm gets a little heavier. See you later.